to my channel. This is Deck Beauty. Yes, so my people, this tutorial is very quick and easy to achieve. This is, in fact, this style you can use it. We are going to create rows. You know, we have different type of rows. There are some rows you open the back side for your heads. At the back side, I still have the video down below. This particular style, this rows, we are going to cover our heads, the back side. So it's very easy to achieve. Please, all I need from you, just focus your eye and see how the demonstration. You see the way I do the measurement. One side is longer than the other side. You see the way I pick them up together, and now I'm going to place it on my head to start the rows. So the measurement is very easy. So this type of measurement, I call it 55-45. So this particular rows, if you have short length of gele, you can use it. If you have long length, you can use it. So all you need is just focus your eye. The way you watch this video, try and do practice. And this thing I want to do now is the secret. You see, you see the way I'm pulling out. This side is coming out from the other side. Yes, this style is not stressful. Why? You don't need to achieve all those front pleating. This one is without front pleating. You can create it even when you are standing, when you are close to your car. You can do it anyhow. It's very easy, and this style is good for the middle age, young people. So for all age, is good. And this style is also good for English outfit, traditional outfit. Is so unique. It's so unique when you are going to church, your Women's Day. This style is very easy. In case you don't like this style, I have different type of style on my YouTube channel. In case you are watching me from Facebook, I have more than 400 videos on my YouTube channel. Go and rock my YouTube channel. Yes, my people, good news. Now I open new YouTube channel as well. So the reason I open my new YouTube channel, I will demonstrate the name at now. My new YouTube channel is Deck Beauty Life. Please subscribe to this my new YouTube channel. This is my new YouTube, because all the video I do on live on Facebook, I am bringing them to this particular new YouTube. Because when I am on live on Facebook, I always do explanation. I have many videos there with chronic explanation. So that is the reason I open new YouTube for that. I will break down that video, like those video with explanation. They are like 1 hour video, 1 hour 20 minutes video, 40 minutes video, 30 minutes video. It's more longer than this normal video you are watching now. So for those that want to see more explanation, more detail, please try and subscribe to that my YouTube channel. Because many of my YouTube channel fans, they said they don't use Facebook. So now you now have we now have two YouTube. Deck Beauty, which is the main one. The other one is the live on Facebook video. I will be bringing down to that live Deck Beauty Live YouTube. So my people, that is the good news. We now have two YouTube channel. Please try and subscribe and leave your comments down for me. If you subscribe, you don't put your comment, you don't drop your comment, your subscribe will not stay. If you write your comment, your subscribe will stay. That is the policy of YouTube. If you just subscribe, you do not drop comment, YouTube will say it's a spam. So please try and leave your comment down for me for more video of explanation. I will bring it to that YouTube channel. Thank you everyone. God bless you as you subscribe to my new YouTube channel. And in case you are wondering, my Facebook, I have two Facebook page. One is Deck Beauty, the other one is Deck Beauty Live, because that is where we do our live on Facebook. The main page, we do live on Facebook and we still do uploads. Yes, so thank you my people. I hope you concentrate. That is the reason I have live on Facebook with more explanation of the tutorial. Please try and follow me on my Facebook and subscribe to my new YouTube channel, Deck Beauty Life. So what we are doing now, you can see that yes, our rose is ready, but just try and use pin to pin the area that needs pin. Then you do your setup. It's very easy to achieve. This style I have it before. I use black material and I still have this same style. I do it, I open the back side. So we have different way. Like some people don't like to open their back side of their hair, so that is the reason you will see watch this. We have different version of it. So this one will cover the back side. It's very easy. Try and practice make perfect. In case you are wondering where I base in United Kingdom, London. I am in London. You see this style, you can push it anywhere you like. Push it to the side, push it to the other side. You can take it off and wear it again. Okay, my people, this is the final. Try and book me for your event. I'm available to travel. We are all in one beauty, makeup, gele, okuku, traditional bridal hairstyle for all tribe. I'm available to travel. Yes, so thank you, my people. This is the final. Yes, you can still do more setup. The more you set your gele up, the more your gele look beautiful. Thanks everyone. If you want to know how to apply makeup on your face by yourself, follow me on my Facebook, Deck Beauty and Deck Beauty Life. We do chronic explanation for them. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. See you on my next video. Bye bye.
Some makeup love. Deck Beauty.
In case you need your gele to be tight.
Deck Beauty. Looking good and looking nice. Deck Beauty.
Don't miss the opportunity, just call on day.
Deck Beauty.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry